Let's understand something really simple. We know that 2, yeah, we know that 2 is less than 5, which is less than, take a bigger number, 10. What will happen if you add 1 to all of them? So this will become 2 plus 1. Here we will have 5 plus 1. And here we'll have 10 plus 1, which means 3 will still be less than 6, will still be less than 11. So if you add a common number to all of them, or even subtract a common number from all of them, the relationship is maintained. Similarly, if you multiply them with the same number, let's try to double all of them up. 2 twos are 4, 5 twos are 10, and 10 twos are 20. The relationship still is valid. What will happen if we divide them by the same number? Let's say we divide each of them by 2. So 2 will become 2 by 2, that's 1. 5 will become 5 by 2. And 10 will become 10 by 2, that's 5. We still have the relationship going stronger. So if you add, subtract, multiply, or divide by any number, actually, in case of multiplication and division, it should be a positive number. The relationship will be maintained. Now look at it further. We had the numbers 2, 5, and 10. 2, 5, and 10. What will happen if I multiply all of them by negative 1? 2 will become negative 2, 5 will become negative 5, and 10 will become negative 10. But the relationship will change. Actually, negative 2 is bigger than negative 5, which in turn is bigger than negative 10. The rule to understand is whenever you multiply or divide all of these numbers by the same negative number, the relationship will change. Okay, so this was something crucial to understand. So if I told you that 2 minus x is greater than 5, 2 minus some number is greater than 5, find that number or find those possible numbers. So first of all, we'll have minus 6 greater than 5 minus 2, that will be 3. Negative of x is greater than 3, multiply both sides by negative 1. You'll have x, here you'll have negative 3, and this will become smaller than. So all numbers which are less than 3 will fit here. Let's check. Let's take, for example, negative 5. Let's see what happens. 2 minus negative 5, that will be 7. And yeah, that is bigger than 5. So this rule of converting the relationship is pretty useful. Let's look at one more thing. See, if I told you that there is a number x which is bigger than 2 but less than 8, there could be many numbers. There are so many numbers bigger than 2. It could be 2.1, 2.7, 2.9, 2.999. And lesser than 8, it could be 7.8, 7.9999. You can understand there could be many rational and irrational numbers. What will happen if we add 1 to all of them? It will become 2 plus 1, 3, x plus 1, and 8 plus 1, 9. What will happen if we multiply all of them by 2? We'll have 3 to the 6. This will be twice of x plus 1, and this will be 9 to the 18. What if we divided all of them by 3. 6 by 3 will be 2 less than 2 by 3 times x plus 1. 18 by 3 is 6. Can you see what's going on here? If you do something on one particular side, you do the same to all of them just to maintain the relationship.